Among thinking strategies, comprehension monitoring is the ability. Would this be letter A, to make appropriate choices? Letter B, to check progress? Letter C, to be relaxed yet alert? Or letter D, to synthesize new information? Okay, nahanap po natin dito ang ibig sabihin, no? Anong ability daw po meron tayo kapag tayo ay nagmo-monitor ng comprehension? Comprehension monitoring. Okay, letter B. Letter B ang sagot ng taong bayan, no? Letter B nga kayang ating tumpak na choice among thinking strategies, comprehension monitoring is the ability. Ang tumpak na choice, of course, is letter B. Tama po yan, to check progress. Na? Kapag comprehension monitoring pong ating pinag-uusapan, this means we are evaluating our understanding habang tayo nagbabasa or habang tayo po ay nagli-learn, di ba? You remember, no? Checking for progress. That's comprehension monitoring. Ibig sabihin, this is metacognition, di ba? Metacognition. Kapag sinabi mo pong metacognition, you are thinking about your own thinking, you are learning about your own learning. Hindi ka basta-basta lamang natututo, no? Pinagtutuunan mo din ng pansin kung paano ka natututo. Ano kaya yung learning style ko, no? Alin kaya yung mga effective na strategies para sa akin, okay? So that is letter B.